In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Earnings Filter. First, head over to the Finviz website and open the screener. If you have an account, log in so your preferences and any saved screens carry over between sessions. Once you're on the screener page, you'll notice a set of filter menus across the top of the table. These are grouped by categories like descriptive, fundamental, and technical, and you can also switch to all to see everything in one place. Next, locate the earnings date filter. You'll typically find it under the descriptive category, but using the all view can make it faster to spot. The earnings date filter is the key to narrowing your list to companies with earnings reports around a specific time window. Now choose the earnings timing you want. If you select any, you're not filtering by earnings at all. Today will show companies scheduled to report today. You can be more precise with today before market open or today after market close, which separates the reports that come out before the bell from those released after hours. Tomorrow before market open, and tomorrow after market close work the same way, just shifted to the next trading day. There's also yesterday, which is helpful if you want to review fresh reactions to earnings that were just reported. Picking one of these options instantly narrows your results to stocks aligned with that specific timing. If you want to refine further, combine the earnings filter with other criteria. Under technical, you might add things like price performance or relative volume to find names with momentum or unusual activity. Under fundamental, you can include metrics such as high EPS growth to focus on companies with strong earnings trends. Keep in mind that each added filter tightens the list, so adjust gradually to avoid excluding good candidates. Once your filters are set, review the results table. You can sort by any column, like price, volume, or market cap, depending on your focus. Look for the earnings information column to confirm each ticker's reporting date and whether it's before the market opens or after it closes. If you're planning trades, it's a good idea to double-check timing abbreviations, since BMO typically means before market open and AMC means after market close. Also remember that free accounts may see slightly delayed data, so refresh or recheck as needed on the day of the report. That's it. Use the earnings date filter to target the exact window you care about, add optional criteria to match your strategy, and then sort and scan your list for the best opportunities.